In this video, you will learn how to scan the QR code on Yahoo Mail. Open the email containing the QR code. Log into Yahoo Mail and open the messages that has the QR code you want to scan. Use your smartphone's camera or QR scanner app. Point the smartphone camera at the QR code on your screen and open the QR on our app. If the camera does not automatically scan it, wait for a notification or link. Once the QR code is recognised, a link will appear. Tap it to view its content. Follow the prompt. Depending on your QR code, you may have to redirect to a website or prompt to download an app or view other content. Use a built-in scanner on your phone. If you're using Yahoo Mail on an iPhone or just a normal phone, take a screenshot of the QR code, then scan it with the QR code app. Install this QR code scanner if you need to. If your device does not support QR scanning, download the free QR code scanner app from your store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.